Richie services my clients with pest control services, termite services, any inspections, and also repair. So Richie and Richie's team, whenever they come to the property or meet with me, they always have a smile on their face. Their repair work is on point quality-wise. They're always on time. It's a great company to work with. The ultimate goal is keeping the client happy for sure. So with partnerships with Richie's Termite and Pest Services and the companies that we all work together to make sure that that is the end goal at the end of the day. Other termite and pest companies that I have worked with, just don't compare. I completely recommend Richie's Termite and Pest Services. Many reasons, but a few of them are his quality of work, his team of people that make you feel comfortable and the client comfortable. They're also local. Anytime that you need them, he has a team of people. He's always promptly on time. With the level of comfort that he gives me, escrow, our clients, our team members, our partners, it's a different kind of relationship, and you see that care that he puts in with all of his teammates to make everything happy at the end of the day.